In my last video of Haflong series, I have shown you the beautiful view of Seilkal Peak. But do you know that there exists a beautiful lone cookie village below this peak? Yes, it's none other than Thumjang village.
Again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have climbed up the Seilkal Peak and now we are going to explore Thumjang village.
Thumjang is the name of the village and Peak is only a place.
So guys, enjoy my video and I'll be showing the village. Today I just entered into Thumjang village and now one of my brothers, today only we know each other but we are like brothers only, and I'm going to take his house tour also, plus you stay tuned with your boy YouTube channel. So he's the one, he's the owner. So brother, you want to say anything?
Yeah, this is my house. You're welcome. Anyone who comes to Thumjang,
Yeah.
most welcome anytime.
Yeah, even homestay facilities
Yeah,
also
yeah.
available, I think.
Yeah.
Wow, very beautiful house here. बहुत सुंदर लगता है तो. Let me show you the cinematic shot of my brother's house. Oh, wow, man.
This is a picture art by
Who?
Durjoy
One
from
of our friends,
West
one of
Bengal.
our friends from
West Bengal. Wow.
Kolkata.
Oh, wow. Very nice,
He's an
man.
artist plus architect.
Inside
It
also.
looks like a tourist lodge only, this house, because different types of flowers we can see.
Come in.
Yes.
Can come in.
So guys, let's witness my brother's house along with me, guys. Keep watching the video. Wow.
This is also the same art done by Durjoy.
Today, for the first time in my life, I'm entering in Cookie's kitchen. So guys, let me show you the kitchen.
For you, please stop.
Yes. Wow. पहले इधर से दिखाते हैं.
Anywhere you get this.
Yes. Oh, ये वाला ना आपने दिखाया था. ये क्या है?
Wait.
Oh, रसुन ना?
This one you-
Oh, yeah.
It's very tasty.
Hello. Hello, sister.
Lemon's other half, huh?
Ah.
Lemon's other half.
Wife master.
Oh,
Other half.
okay.
I don't call wife, huh? Because the other half means
Down gini.
Yes.
this is the owner's wife.
Okay. Wow,
Levan.
very nice. Hello. Hello. क्या पका रहा है ये?
Kochu.
कुसु. Nice, very beautiful, very unique kitchen. Even I am also tribal. I'm Tiwa. I belong to Tiwa tribe. But wow. ये वाला अच्छा है. मकोई. So warmly hosted by the owner and by the tour guide, means the local tour guide. So I really enjoyed experiencing to witness the Cookies family's kitchen. So guys, definitely if you are staying in the town or cities, will feel very upset because of the pollution, sound pollution, water pollution, and everything. So yeah, that's okay.
Amazda, apiga, buddy.
But in this village life now, you can't get in the present days. So you can come and enjoy in Tumjang village, guys, and I really enjoyed a lot, and even I'm sharing my experience to you all. So guys, and you can stay in a homestay better than staying in a lodge or a hotel, because you can experience the village life.
You can have a taste of the local water.
Yeah, the local water. Let me test. Very cold. Very
But
cold.
it's boil and kept.
Boil.
Yes.
But it seems like directly from the tap water.
Most people prefer to drink like that.
Yeah.
Because here we don't have any mosquito problems or that.
Tumjang is indeed a very beautiful and a clean village. The village agriculture system depends on primitive way, so we can find organic crops and fruits in this village. This village is lagging out from electricity, proper network connection, as it is far away from towns and cities. So during the lockdown, it makes very difficult for the student to do online class. So the village council built a tower to do online class. As my experience, the people from this village are very friendly and they are very familiar in hospitality. I have enjoyed a lot during my trip to Tumjang village, as the friendly behavior and the great hospitality made me feel at home during my stay.
Clean kitchen. Home tour लेके जाओ. ये क्या है बोलो. So guys, finally I have shown the tour of Cookie House, and now I'm going to take a bites little bit from my brother about Tumjang Peak and Sikil Peak. Sikil Peak, I think.
My name is David. I'm from Tumjang, and I'm here right now at Tumjang village. Many visitors have come to Tumjang. I would say it's not a surprise for us. In one sense, I would say that it's a blessing for us. And what happened, the nature here, the beautiful nature, what people come and watch every day is one particular spot is called Silkal Peak. We have visited a few hours back. And you see, earlier during our childhood, we always wonder about the nature and all that, but then we were not aware that this kind of beautiful natures could be,
Source of
it would be admired by people, and it could be a source of income for the society and for the village. But just recently, the year 2018, a promoter, Mr. Hemanta Baroa, came, and along with him, we have decided creating a society and promoting this area to be an ecotourism spot. And so, in the year 2018, in the month of December 4th, we formed the society. And from there, we have just, we did not flash yet, but we have just told some people that we are going to start this, a tourist spot here. And then some few people visited, and with their coming, they have started, spreading through social medias and YouTube and other Facebook and all that. Then it became suddenly, before we could prepare ourselves, before we could welcome people, things became famous. And I do not know, even during the COVID protocols, many came over here, and of course we had some a little problem with the administration as well. But they came to know that the importance of tourism here itself, and they also came. The deputy commissioner himself came, the CM of, and along with many visitors have so far came in order to help us promote this area to be really something which we have never imagined so far. And today I'm really happy to tell viewers that you are all most welcome here to come anytime, any part of the day, and you can have even a stay here at home in the village. You can have camping at some sites we will be providing very soon. And Selkal Peak is not the highest peak, as people might think that is the highest peak. It is only one of the third highest here in the village. The highest peak is Thingtubung, which is beyond the village. There is the the peak that is the highest peak in Assam, which is around about 1900. So I wish everyone to come here and share with us. One of our objective also is a cultural exchange between people, especially the visitors. We are still just beginning. We are in a grassroots level, and so therefore we need a lot of promoters to come and help us out in this situation. And now here I have with me our promoter, the promoter of this society and the village, Mr. Hemanta Bora, to say something for us. Sir, please come.
Hi, hello. And what I want to say is that the village is very, in Dima Hasao, it's a very potential place for tourism and like in adventure, for trekking, like these kind of activities. So we want to promote and we want to develop the ecotourism way of in this village. So we want to try ki people come here and like visit this place and have that experience of the culture, experience of the people who is living here, and most of all the nature, which is it's a very unique and very virgin forest are there. So in Tumjang village, with the help of Tumjang Laizung Society, we have come up with one project which is called Zero Waste Tumjang. So here we are just promoting the plastic pollution and the degradation of the whole environmental things because of the plastics and because of the whole waste thing we people are doing. So for that we come up with a project where we encourage people, the villagers also and the visitors also, ki just don't throw the plastics anywhere else, and like just and next ki like respect the nature first of all. If you come to any place, like you have to respect the nature. That's one of the important thing in ecotourism. So we are working on that, and I hope by this channel and my brother, we can
Give a message.
Yeah, we want to leave the message for the visitors and like whoever wants to come here. Please respect nature and be a responsible tourist. That's what we want to promote here. So yeah, thank you so much, brother, for give us a voice.
Thank you very much. So guys, you have heard about his request and the society, and they are working hard to promote the tourism in the ecotourism way. So guys, with this message, and please be a responsible tourist. And so guys, see you in next episode. That's all for today. Bye bye.
Subscribe.